here's page 3. So we'll start with number 9. 9 through 12, you're finding the equation of the ellipse by using the graph. So first thing you want to do is find the center, and then you want to find the vertex point so you'll know what number to put as your denominators. What? No. Did I email it to you? Okay, I'll do it right now. I'll email it to you.
Well, I'm good.
How many do you need? Of the review? Yeah, I'll just send it over there.
Okay.
Okay. All right, sorry. Okay, so center, if you find that the biggest point here will be here and here. And so that's going to be the center line. And so then you can just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So half of 8 will be 4. So this is going to be your center point. So center here is going to be positive 1, negative 3. So that tells you you're going to have x opposite is negative 1 squared plus y opposite would be negative 3 squared. And they're always going to be equal to 1 if they're ellipses. And yes, you do have to put the equal to 1. That matters. Okay, so then we'll just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 squared is 36. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squared is 16. Okay, number 10 is a lot easier because notice this center point is the origin because you have 7, 7, 6, and 6. So we're just going to have x squared plus y squared on the top, always equal to 1. And then this is 7, so 7 squared, 49. This is 6, 6 squared is 36. Okay, over here, this is the tallest point right here. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be my center. So negative 1, 3. So I'll have x plus 1 squared, y minus 3 squared equal to 1. And then I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 squared is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squared is 25. Over here, this is the highest point. So halfway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway would be 4 again. So my center is 0, 1, not 2. That's a 1. 1. And so I'd have x squared plus y minus 1 squared equal to 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 squared would be 16. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squared would be 36. Okay, on these, remember the first step is to look for what number repeats in each pair. So what number repeats in this pair? It would be 0. Number that repeats in this pair is also 0. Because yes, 10 repeats, but this one's negative, so it doesn't repeat exactly. It has to be exactly the same. So that tells me my center is going to be 0, 0. So I'm going to have x squared plus y squared be always equal to 1. Okay, so then to find your denominators, you're going to subtract. So I'm going to take this first coordinate and this second coordinate, and I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to take 0 minus 10. So that's negative 10. Well, negative 10 squared is going to be 100. And then I'll take 5 minus 0, and that's 5. 5 squared is 25. Okay, same thing over here. Look for the number that repeats. It's 5. Number that repeats here is also 5. So center happens to be 5, 5. So I'll have x minus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 1. Then I'll pick this coordinate and this coordinate. And like I said, it doesn't matter which one you choose. So I could use first and first. I could use second and first. I could use first and last. I could use second and last. As long as you choose one from this pair and one from this pair, you're good. Okay? So I'll take 2 minus 5. That's negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. And then I'll take 5 minus 9, which is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16.